Groundfloor Robo-advisor for investing honest review. Watch before using. Groundfloor is a real estate investment platform that enables both accredited and non-accredited investors to participate in short-term, high-yield real estate debit investment. Founded in 2013, it offers a unique opportunity to invest in real estate projects with minimal capital. And here are the key features about this Robo investment plan. It comes with a low minimum investment, so investors can start with as little as $10, allowing the easy diversification across multiple projects. And also it comes with a short-term investment between 6 to 12 months. And also it comes with no investor fee, and also it comes with a free accessibility, so which means open to both accredited and non-accredited investors. And also here is the advantages of using this investment plan. It comes with high potential return, with diversification, with transparency. Each loan is assigned by a grade which is A2G based, no risk, helping investors making informed decisions. And also here's the downside. It comes with liquidity risk. Despite shorter term, these investments are not as liquid as stock or other security, means your capital is tied until the loan is matured. Also it comes with a default risk and limited educational resources. And here's the overall conclusion. Groundfloor offers a unique entry point into real estate investment, which is especially for those with limited capital. It is low minimum investment and absence of investors fee, making it appealing. However, potential investors should be aware of the inherent risk, including the liquidity constraint and the possibility of borrower's default. As with any investment, it's crucial to conduct through the due diligence and consider your risk tolerance before participating. So that's it.